Hey, Matt Trucks here from theplastichole.net. Today I received the new ultralight kayak mount for the 403, which was developed by Torqeedo. So I'm just going to unbox it and check out what's in here. This is actually the first time I've seen the finished mount. So we're going to take a look here. Little unboxing video. Alright, nice compact box. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright. And here we have the new improved steering bracket. And this looks like the clamp that'll hold the 403 in. And then here is our up-down bracket. This will lift and lower the motor for the up-down line. Okay, there's the mount. Look at that, pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, great. So there we go. New mount looks great. Love the decals on it. Nice anodized aluminum, pretty light. Lock line, this is a really nice feature. Up, down, and then you got your quick release on the side here. So this is going to be pretty cool. And also in the box here we have a bunch of hardware. So, and it's kind of stuck in here. Wow, look at all that hardware. New extension of rope for up-down lines, all kinds of deck hardware, and it looks like our bolts for track mounting and also for the 4-bolt power pole. So, looking good, Torqeedo. Okay, in the small parts bag, came with a length of rope, came with a bunch of different hardware, some track mounting portions here, and so keep your eye out. I'm going to go over how to install this new mount on the Jackson Kayak Kilroy and also the Jackson Kayak Big Rig coming up here pretty shortly.